This is Ultra Algo. Today is November the 2nd of 2021. We will be looking at stock tickers KRVP on a 1 minute time frame, ANIP on a 5 minute time frame, DM on a 5 minute time frame, and IO on a 15 minute time frame. Our algorithmic trading strategy allows customers to identify both retail and institutional trading patterns in real time, and we also offer automated trading. Here's stock ticker KRVP for Chiromic Biopharma Incorporated on a 1 minute chart for the past 3 months. Notice today's price movements in relation to the buy signal from Ultra Algo, and since the price is currently moving up to the resistance line, which is the white line, we are still waiting for the next short signal from Ultra Algo. We can also notice how the price went from $2 right up to $2.80 since our last buy signal. Here's stock ticker ANIP for Any Pharmaceutical Incorporated on a 5 minute chart for the past 5 months. Notice today's price movements in relation to the Ultra Bull signal from Ultra Algo. We can see how the price increased from $37 right up to $60 and actually touching the resistance line, which is the white and the green line. Since it was very likely to follow a bearish pattern, we shortly received a short signal from Ultra Algo, and we are still waiting for the next buy signal. Here's stock ticker DM for Desktop Metal Incorporated on a 5 minute chart for the past month. Notice today's price movements in relation to the buy signal from Ultra Algo. The price was on an important resistance line, which is the white line at the top, and we are still waiting for the next short signal as it looks overbought. We can actually see how the price went from $7 after our buy signal, and as seen for right now, it's on $8.53. Here's stock ticker IO for Ion Geophysical Corporation on a 15 minute chart for the past 2 months. Notice today's price movements in relation to the buy signal from Ultra Algo. The price is currently on an important resistance line, which is the white and the green line at the top, waiting for the next short signal as it looks overbought. And also notice how the price went from almost $2 since our last buy signal right up to $2.65. Thank you for watching the technical video. If you're interested in improving your overall trading strategy, we recommend you start a 7-day free trial with Ultra Algo. This tool is designed to help traders easily identify buy-short opportunities across securities listed on all major exchanges, such as New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, and OTC. Now it's also available for Forex and crypto trading. Start a 7-day free trial at ultraalgo.com.